Tired of bouncing between ChatGPT, Cloud, Grok, and Gemini? What if you could harness the power of all these top AI models inside one single application and actually get more done faster? Right now, using multiple AI tools means juggling different tabs, accounts, and subscriptions. It's messy, expensive, and worst of all, your best ideas get lost in the shuffle. No built-in way to save your top prompts, no way to organize your projects, and no seamless workflow. Meet Merlin application, the all-in-one AI companion for web and mobile. Chat with ChatGPT, Cloud, Grok, and Gemini, all from a single interface. Save projects, store your best prompts in your own personal vault, and optimize your AI workflow. Plus, it's cost efficient, so you can get more value without breaking the bank. So, ready to streamline your AI experience and unlock your full creative potential? Stick around. In this video, we are diving deep into how Merlin application can transform the way you work with AI. So let's get started. So guys, Merlin is an all-in-one application that allows you to access different pro-level AI models from different LM applications like ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini or Cloud. You have all the pro-level models from these LM applications like ChatGPT's GPT 4.1. You have access to 2.5 Pro from Gemini and Grok 3 Super from Grok, and you also have access to 3.7 Sonnet from Cloud and Cloud's 4 model that has been recently launched in the last month. And you can access Merlin on your Android device, whether it is of Android or Apple, and you can also access on your browser using an extension of Merlin, and the response are very good. Many brands have used it and given their reviews on various platforms. And here you can see that you can, without switching the tab, use it, summarize, repurpose the content, and you can search better, get answers at a glance. You can use it on probably any application, whether it is Reddit, whether it is YouTube. You can get summaries when watching the videos like this. You can go to the sidebar when watching the video and create quick summaries for the videos. So if you're learning something, you can get quick notes or summaries out of it. You can upload the PDF and talk with your PDF in real time using Merlin like you obviously do in other applications. And then you have also options to train your projects. You can add knowledge to your projects, so that whenever you want to get something specific for your specific projects, then you can get it through the knowledge you have uploaded. Knowledge can be uploaded in terms of some text, in terms of URLs, in terms of some PDF or something. And then you have option to create infographics, create better images for your projects, for your work, for your assignments, whatever it is. And then you can also create working applications using the code level LLMs that are integrated into the application. You can use OpenAI's O1 as well with this Merlin application to get real-time web results. And Merlin is available in 200 plus countries, so you can use it right away wherever you are from. And they have some stunning reviews, 4.8 aggregated reviews on Google Chrome Store and 4.3 on AppSumo, and plenty of good reviews on App Store as well. Here you can see you can write emails. There are some toolkits available. You can draft posts, create content from the videos, get some personal or perfect poster images, and all top AI models are integrated like Llama, Mistral Large, DeepSeek R1, O3, O4 Mini, GPT 4.1, Grok 3. All of these are available, and it is secure and customizable. You can customize it based on your need. You can save the prompts. You can build the chatbots, and available on all the devices I said. So let's quickly get in and see how this application works and what problems can it solve for us and how we can use it effectively. And in the last, we will talk about whether you should go buy Merlin or you have any alternative to go with. And we can also talk about its pros and cons and the model which should be the perfect for your need. So here I am going to log in and go to my dashboard. And here you can see the interface is very similar to other chat applications where you can call your bots using this. These are kind of assistants that are integrated. You can also call your prompts by using this slash, and you can add prompt on clicking over here, and all your saved prompts will be found over here. You can manage them in various folders as well, and you have various AI tools as well. There are plenty of AI tools. So whether you want to generate SEO title, you want to solve marketing problem, you have some marketing strategy generator, YouTube hashtag generator, image caption generator, bio generator, Instagram bio generator. There are plenty of pre-built short applications that you can use to get quick results using Merlin, and you have also access to some image generation capabilities. So here you can navigate that and create some nice images. As you can see over here, the users have generated some really exciting, enticing and appealing images using the Merlin application. And ping back to here, we can see the projects. So you can create your own projects, train them, upload knowledge base for them, and get some personalized results for your projects. And you can also access the history you have, and you can also change the mode. So this is very fancy that you can switch between various modes. And here if you click on the model, you have access to this option where you can switch between various models that are available, and these models are also categorized into reasoning, coding, writing speed, and large context. So based on your need, you can select the model of your choice. For example, I want to do some writing part. I will go with the writing category, and I can choose between these available models for my writing. For example, I want to write SEO title for my blog post, then I can choose any of these models. For example, 4.1, Grok 3, or Cloud 3.7 Sonnet, based on the topic that I'm writing. Okay, and yeah, if you don't want to if you are not aware of which model can be best for your prompt, then you can simply click on this auto model selector option, and based on your prompt and your requirement, it will automatically choose the best model for your generation. And not only that, if you type something like I want to generate, okay, then you can enhance the prompt. If you are not confident that your model, or sorry, your prompt is good enough for generating the content, then you can click on this button, enhance prompt, and it will enhance the prompt for you so that you get the best desired results out of your generated content. And you can also upload some attachments in terms of photos and all. You can also upload using the Google Drive, or upload from a device, or import from the vault. You can save data in your vault as well, and you can call it whenever you give instructions to the prompt, instructions to the chat, okay, using the prompt. Okay, and then you have option to talk to support if you want to share your feedback and all. You have also option for the lab where you can enable crafts. So crafts are very similar, you have seen in Gemini and all. You have analyst mode, you can enable it as well to get better results when the analysis work is needed. You can also enable MCP and plugins. So model context protocol option is also there. You can enable deep research as well for comprehensive analysis and research capabilities. And when it is enabled, Merlin will provide more thorough and detailed responses. So I have been using it, and so far it is very good. The results are very authentic. I can also generate images like this, but I will not choose that one, but this one's, and I will choose Grok 3 because I feel it is a very good model for generating the images. So now you can see the image that we have got after the generation has done its work. You can also see the flow, and you can download the image, preview it in full size, and save it to your vault. So very good software. You can also generate charts, infographics as well, and you can also write some code if you want to. And yeah, very good option if you want to save the money, for free you can get like limited access to basic models and limited access to plus level models, some basic image generation, limited access to 70 plus AI tools, sync across devices, and limited access to Chrome extension features. But if you go with a pro plan that costs you around 19 USD per month, you are going to get unlimited access to basic models and 50x use on plus level models, and you are also going to access some exclusive models like OpenAI O3, GPT-4, O Cloud 3.7 Sonnet, and some advanced image generation options. And you can also get unlimited access to 70 plus AI tools with the pro level models as well. And you have fast track support, sync across devices, unlimited access to Chrome extension features, and there's also a team plan that costs you like 15 USD per seat per month. So if you add your team, all the team members will be levied 15 USD per team member. Okay, and that is very very effective. If you have a good team, then you can make use of it. But for the individuals who want to access all the pro level models without any limit and want to get things done, then they can use the pro model, but there's a limit. Like if you see over here, the fair users limit is also applied, so daily you have some limit. You cannot use it extensively, like you cannot overuse it. So definitely there is something behind that is checking like how much you are using. So whenever you click on any model, there's a bolt icon that tells you about the credits that are being spent using any model for any call. And it is all about tokens, how much tokens it is spent on the output input, and based on that the limit will be applied for the fair users. You can get more information about the fair users policy on the documentation to get enough description of how it works, so that you are always prepared for what is happening on the application. So based on my personal experience, I would suggest that you can go with a pro model, as it can save you a lot of cost. You can easily generate images, charts, documents, or whatever using this application, and you can also save prompts. You can also save anything to the vault. You can also save projects, which is not available in Gemini, of course. But with this application, you can not only use Gemini pro level models, but also save your projects and get some additional features that are available only in few applications of now. So Mardin is definitely going to do some better job for you and give you better ROI, and that's what I feel. So you can check out my link in description so you can get some discount when you opt to buy. And for watching more videos like this, you can definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video on the channel. And you can also join our communities on Facebook, on other platforms that I have linked in my description. So keep watching, and I find you in the next video. So till then, have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Bye bye.